Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to another edition of Victor Esibo Reviews. If it's your first time here, consider hitting the red subscribe button below. Turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss my subsequent videos. And if you're a returnee, it's always a pleasure having you here. This is just a quick video to sensitize you about adding strangers to your mobile bank beneficiaries. Okay, most bank applications automatically highlight yes when they ask should you add a beneficiary, so you just click on it and go. That's how it is. So yesterday I was to send some money to a contact of mine, a friend of mine. His name is Patrick. Okay, so I was really tired because network was a little bit messy all through the night, so I kept trying and trying. So eventually I saw Patrick, then I sent it, boom, and it went. So I was happy, so I slept off. So the next morning, he called me and he reminded me about the money I wanted to send to him, and I told him I had sent it. And he said he had not received it, so I decided to check. When I checked, guess what? I sent the money to the wrong Patrick. I sent it to my elder brother. Really? So I just gave him a call and he refunded the money, then I sent it to the right person. Now imagine a scenario where I sent the money to a random Patrick whom I do not know personally, who's not close to me, who's not a friend, or neither is he a family member. Maybe you're driving through a strange place, you had a flat tire and some random guy just helped you change tires, and you wanted to appreciate him, and you just sent him money and erroneously saved his contact as a beneficiary, and you erroneously sent money to that kind of person. First of all, the person will not even remember you when you're describing yourself. I was that guy who had a flat tire, yes, around 2 years ago, close to your village. The person does not even know you, and he would not refund your money. And for guys, you that do Ponzi schemes that match you to pay strangers, match a pastor to pay a native doctor, and you do Ponzi and you send money to strange people, different kinds of people, and you save them as beneficiaries on your phone. At the end of the day, you erroneously sent him money, him or her money. How are you going to get your money back? Okay, it's something we need to think about. Okay, after watching this video, go into your mobile bank application and delete all the strangers, people you don't know, who don't know you personally. It's better to be safe than to be sorry. Till I see you next time, I remain Victor Esibo Reviews. It's bye for now.